is Kyle. I don't like wet clothes, so this is a machine to remove wetness from wet clothes. So we're gonna take the wheel off, and then we spray WD-40 on both sides.
And why did we do that?
So it makes it easier to take it off. And then Kyla tried to do it, then Kyla didn't do it, then I helped her. I did the other side. Kyla's gonna take the wheel off with Dad, and then put the chain off. We take the wheel off now, and then we take the tire off of the wheel with screwdrivers, and then we slide it.
And that way we had a rim, so we can use the rim on the outside of the wheel.
Yeah, then we take the thing off. The tube off.
Inner tube.
Then we put the chain back on, then place the wheel back on. See how it spins, then put WD-40 so it comes smoother to wide. Then put the wheel
on the basket.
On the basket. Then pump the wheel. Pump. Then I fell. Then put it on the basket. And there's really a hole to make it easier.
And that way the inner tube's little air inflator goes through the hole and it'll help hold it up. And then we'll also inflate it after too. And I also drilled holes in the bottom and in the top of the basket so it could spin, because it needs to be able to spin on something, and had to keep making them bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Go.
That was better.
Ow.
Yeah. Oh. Go. Catch your fingers.
That works.
Yeah, cool. Let the...
Yeah, let's put it on top.
Yeah, okay. I'll leave that recorded. So what did you think of the clothing water spinner, to spin the water out of the clothing? One at a time.